Hi everyone! Another saving tips for today. So if you really want to save guys, you have to be committed. Okay, so you have to list your goals. Ano mo yung mga gusto mong i-achieve sa buhay? So for example, you want travel goals, you're saving for your car, saving for the house, saving for emergency funds, and saving for long-term investments. Okay? So you have to commit yourself to save it month by month for you to achieve your goals. Kasi if you're just, may mga goals ka sa buhay, and if you're not doing it little by little, wala kang ginagawa to achieve your dreams and goals in life, nothing will happen. Okay? So you have to work on it. You have to do it little by little. Okay? Magtatabi ka sa income mo month by month, a little, doon sa mga gusto mong marating sa buhay, doon sa mga dreams and investments and goals na gusto mong marating sa buhay. Kasi unless you do it, nothing will really happen. So you have